The iPhone 15 leaks have now broken the dam, with new details on what to anticipate from Apple in September appearing on a weekly and sometimes daily basis. The iPhone 14 series was a strong debut, so Apple will probably build on what works with the current flagship. What's ahead for the iPhone is a bit more of the same but with a new charging standard. Most likely, improvements will be made to the phone's camera system and the inside Apple-built CPU. Even if the iPhone 15's buttons could be unlike to your accustomed ones, the dynamic island is also likely to endure. If you wish to upgrade later this year, just change your Lightning connectors with USB-C cords that have been approved by Apple. We now have a clear idea of how the Pro lineup will look thanks to a recent design leak. Changes include a titanium body with curved edges, a much larger camera bump for the periscope lens, thinner 1.55mm bezels, and a new gorgeous red finish. In addition, because of those smaller bezels, the Pros may even be slightly smaller than the outgoing 14 Pro. The EU enforced the switch to Type-C by 2024, and although some predicted Apple would choose a completely wireless design rather than employing Type-C, it doesn't seem practical. Moving USB-C for charging is another possible huge design shift. While cable data transmission isn't all that popular on phones these days, it's important for service and for the professional videographers that Apple loves to pursue with its industry-leading video performance. Apple would need to offer a MagSafe charger in the package. Apple may instead attempt to keep control of accessories by using its created for iPhone approach for Type-C, although it could possibly be against new EU regulations. Thunderbolt 3 will explicitly imply high-speed data transfers. Initially, speculations claimed that the iPhone 15 Ultra variant will be constructed of titanium as opposed to the more common aluminum or stainless steel. Now that it seems like that, their price hike may be somewhat justified. Let's also speak about buttons. There was a lot of chatter early in the rumor cycle that the Pro series will have solid-state buttons, which are sensors and taptic engines that mimic the experience of a true button click. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.